how's it going? So today I just wanted to go through the steps on me making this leaf plate out of resin, and you can see in there that I've put some leaves and flowers and cedar, and honestly we'll see. So I'm just about to unmold this, and some preliminary thoughts to it. It has been curing for about 24 hours. It's a little bit sticky still, but this mold builder that I use, I've noticed that whenever I've waited a full week for things to dry completely, and sometimes they just never do. They have this like sticky coating that just doesn't dry until it's out of the mold. I'm not sure if that's a problem with the mold builder, the resin I use, or what. It's not really a big issue because they polish up really nicely. It gets a few fingerprints, easy to get rid of. Another problem that I'm not super excited for in this bowl is that there is a lip here, which I really didn't want. I don't know if I'll be able to shave that down. I don't know if there's leaves or flowers already caught up in there. So it could still work as a fine bowl, but there is a bump here. And that's just because of the weight of the resin because it was curing like this, the pressure of everything. I don't know if I could have dispersed it better or maybe laid it on top of a cone, like a slight hill thing. Not sure, but this is just the first one I've ever poured of this, and let's unmold it right now. Sometimes this is super frustrating, sometimes it's the best part. For some reason I feel like it might be super frustrating today. I just gotta loosen the mold up a little while. It really depends on the figure or the sculpture, how long it takes to unmold. I was unmolding an elephant the other day. No lie, it took like 40 minutes of like pulling, stretching, like really getting all of it detached. Like, ooh, it was rough. It was a workout. So this is why I don't go to the gym, because I do resin sometimes. Okay, let's just keep going here. Do you hear that? Ooh, ASMR. You can see, so I got some holly leaves in there. I got some red leaves in there. Some cedar, my go-tos. So already looking at this, I'll need to put another layer on the bottom to keep it flat and nice, and maybe that could fix up the top too, but there's texture that I don't want to lose, so we'll see how that goes. Ooh, she's birthing. Oh wow. Oh my gosh, I'm dying. Okay, don't get too excited. Oh. Do you see it? Okay, it's so sticky. That layer is there. What? Okay, let's get some close-ups because this is stunning. Thank you. The aftermath. I should have somewhere nice to put this. I'm just gonna put it on the table. Ooh. This is like such a I'm doing resin without gloves look. Just like sticky. Okay, let's get some close-ups. This is beautiful. That's about it. That is how I made this. That's how I made this bowl. There's a little bit more work for me to do before I post it anywhere, but that is the hard part. Hard part is over. Stay tuned, and I will be posting that video of me making a resin elephant. It's the biggest sculpture I've ever done so far. It used a lot of resin and had its own difficulties. More on that later. Anyways, happy fall is over, but Merry Christmas. Goodbye.